Hello guys, good morning. And now we'll see Hyperautomation Specialist Certification Maintenance for Winter 25. So we have only one module. Let's see. So we have six multiple questions. Let's see one by one. So what is the advantage of using an RPA board to automate the business process? Let's go for B. RPA boards interact with applications and manipulate computer input faster and more accurately than the humans. Second one. So interval and subsequent triggers are both examples of which type of process execution. That is obviously the scheduled run configuration. Which is the advantage of using a connected app credential. Connected app credentials. We'll go for B. So how can a hyperautomation specialist incorporate an RPA process into a Salesforce a process? Create manage. Okay. Go for D. Connected at any point a platform to a Salesforce org. Next, what does a session-based variable do? It allows using one variable across the workflows, so that run inside a single session. So, what is a confidence score in intelligence document processing (IDP)? To go for the B. Right. So, just try this. Okay, done. See, we completed hyperautomation, a specialist certification maintenance.